for the coffee lovers, this is for you. This is called the Coffee Meal Secret Box by Karakul Creations Group. This is made in Japan and handmade to. Limited quantities lang ginagawa nila per year. The objective of this puzzle is to open this compartment here, pero nakalock siya. And the question right now is how to open the secret box. First, you have to lay down the puzzle box dito sa surface, sa table, flat. Next is, itong compartment na to should be facing towards you, nakaharap sa'yo. And finally, itong crank na to, na moving part na to, wala siyang kinalaman sa pag-solve ng puzzle. But rather, itong cup na to, which is also movable, ito yung may kinalaman sa puzzle. So, this coffee bean inside should be facing 3 o'clock or yung east. And once the bean is facing 3 o'clock or east, pwede mo na ma-pull yung lid, like so. And mabubuksan mo na yung secret compartment na to. Ngayon, hindi dyan nagtatapos yung puzzle kasi sa loob ng secret compartment na to, meron pang isa pang secret compartment na maliit. And inside it, may mariretrieve kang small coffee bean. Yun lang.